Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your PlayStation 5 without a traditional controller. First, you'll need to connect a USB keyboard and mouse directly to your console's USB ports. The PlayStation 5 should automatically detect these devices, allowing you to navigate the console's interface. This initial setup is essential for using alternative input methods. Next, download the Roblox application from the PlayStation Store. Once installed, launch the game from your PlayStation 5 home screen. You will then be prompted to log into your Roblox account or create a new one. While Roblox on PlayStation is primarily designed for controllers, basic keyboard and mouse input for navigation and chat often works within the game's menus. For in-game actions, you can often use the W, A, S, D keys for character movement and your mouse to control the camera, similar to a computer. However, it's important to understand that full keyboard and mouse support varies significantly across different Roblox experiences. Some games are optimized for controller input, meaning certain actions might still require a controller or may not be accessible. To enhance your gameplay, adjust your mouse sensitivity within the PlayStation 5 system settings for more precise control. Since Roblox on PlayStation does not offer in-game key remapping, you might need to experiment with different Roblox experiences to find those that naturally support keyboard and mouse input well. A wired connection for your peripherals can also help ensure minimal input lag for a smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.